I'm creamy, crunchy, fruity, and neat, a plant-based delight you can eat. What am I? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So today we're going to make an easy 1-minute yogurt that we're going to turn into a parfait. So with that, I'm going to show you how to make the yogurt, which is fast and easy, and also a delicious granola to go in between each delicious layer. So let me show you how I did that. So guys, look how easy this recipe is. All you need is some agave nectar or sweetener of choice, a block of tofu, and I'm using extra firm tofu because I want it to be more thicker, some vanilla, and coconut milk. So I'm gonna start with the tofu because I want to get that blended up creamy before we add the other ingredients. And what I did with the tofu, I poured out the liquid, of course, and squoze it out to get much of that liquid off of that tofu as possible. All right, so this is the texture you want it to be at this point. Now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of agave nectar or maple syrup if you like, a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and I use the coconut milk in the can, or you can even use coconut cream if you want it more richer. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're gonna give that a blend until it's smooth. This is how creamy you want it to be, and it will thicken up too once it's get in the refrigerator and it gets nice and cold. So you want to pop this in the fridge to set up for about an hour or more, but in the meantime, we're going to make our granola to go with our parfait. Okay, so before I mix up the granola ingredients, be sure to preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 155 degrees Celsius. So in a large bowl, we'll add 2 cups of gluten-free oats, and you can use regular rolled oats as well. A 1/2 cup of almonds, and I use slivered almonds. Add a big pinch of salt, and just get that all tossed up first. Next, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of honey, or you can use agave nectar as well, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted vegan butter. And just get that all stirred up until you coat all the oats. This granola recipe can be found in my Ultimate Smoothie Bowl recipe cookbook that you can find on my website. Before you place your granola on the baking sheet, be sure to line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake the granola for 25 to 30 minutes until it gets light golden brown, and in between, toss some of the granola from the edges into the center and then even it out so that the edges don't burn. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious, this cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. All right guys, so the granola's all done and it's cooled off, so you make sure you cool it off. And our yogurt has been sitting in the fridge for about 2 hours, but if you leave it in longer, even overnight, it gets even thicker. And I'm using frozen berries, so these are blueberries. You can use any berries that you enjoy, but I like the frozen because of the texture. And when you build these parfaits, you can actually make them overnight and then have them in the morning so you can grab and go. So let's build a parfait. So we're gonna start with the granola and grab about 2 tablespoons of granola, or with this, you can do it however you like. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Just do it the way you enjoy. But I wanna put a base there, kind of like a crust at the bottom. And then you're gonna add your yogurt, and look how thick and creamy that is. Look at that, so thick. So we're gonna put some yogurt, and you wanna get it so it's touching the sides of the glass because it looks pretty set up that way. And I think we're gonna do about 2 layers of this one because the size of the glass. And let's top it with our blueberries. We'll add some more granola on top of that. And I'm making 2 because of course it's Jimmy and I. But you can get at least 4 parfaits out of this yogurt. So this is just 2 for Jimmy and I. You can get, I think, about 4 parfaits out of this yogurt, or maybe more. So there you have it, our easy 1-minute yogurt, and we made this delicious parfait with it. And with that granola, guys, if you want that recipe, it's in our Ultimate Smoothie Cookbook, where there's 9 more granola recipes and 39 delicious smoothie bowls. So with that being said, I am Rosa, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.